Your homework for tonight. This is going to be on your quiz tomorrow, so it's important. I don't know what I've gone over. I'll start with number 1. I think I did number 2 and 3, so we'll do number 1 here. Okay, this means -3 times, that's 7 times 7, so times 7. M to the 6, you get 6 of them, so you have essentially 1, 2, 3 pairs, m to the 3rd, and then n to the 4th, so it's n squared. You get 2 pairs of n. So there's nothing left in the radical, so the radical is not, so your answer is -21 m cubed n squared. Okay. Oh my gosh, between my son and my husband. Okay, anyways, I think I went over this in class. I believe I did. Make sure you do distributive property first. So that's j to the 2nd, h to the 4th, and 4 to the 2nd. And then you multiply that to what's here, times the 2 times the h to the 8, j to the 5. Okay, this is 16. 16 times this 2 is 32. So h to the 4th and h to the 8th, you get h to the 12th and j to the 5th. Okay. So same thing here. Need to do the distributive property first. Okay. Distribute here. Oh, sorry. Change the color so you can see better. It's w to the 14. Here's a 1. 3 to the 2nd. Okay. And this one, you don't distribute anything. It stays a 1, 2 to the 1, w to the 5th, y to the 3rd. Well, 2, that's 9. 9 times the 2, which is 18. Okay. So w to the 5th and w to the 14 is w to the 19. Remember, we're adding these. And then y, there's no y, so it's y to the 3rd, and that's your answer. Again, same type of problem, distribute first. It's a 1 here, so f to the 5th and 5 to the 40. And then what's left is here, 5 to the 3rd, f to the 6th. So 5, that's too big to multiply, so you'll get a ginormous number. If there's, my son always laugh at me when I say it's ginormous. It's my favorite word. Okay, 5 to the 43. And then this one, f has the same base. Okay, so we get f to the 11th. So here we reduce 9 and 3 by 3 becomes 3 over 1. I believe we did this in class. I'm not sure. But anyways, if just doing it, you take that out minus the 1, so you got k to the minus the 4, k to the first. And then take out this m, which is m to the 1, so minus 1, you get m to the 3rd. All your answer is in the numerator, you see, so you keep it in the numerator. This here, minus 7, so n to the 1st. Yeah, I think that's it. We got rid of, that's all, that's my answer. Or just 3, you don't have to put that 1 there. K, m to the 3rd, n, and you don't have to put a denominator 1, and that's your answer. Okay? Next one, reduce, divide these by 2, you get 1 over 3. This 2 equals to 1, we cancel it out, 1 and 1, right? 1 over 1, and 1 times 2 is 2. So it doesn't change anything. When that happens, you just cancel it out. And this, you subtract 2 here. So j to the second power. And that's your answer. You don't have to write this 1. So it's j to the second and 3. Or if you write 1/3 j to the second like that. All the same thing, okay? You don't have to write this 1. If you don't, you put it like this. Right here. They're all correct answers. Okay, here you divide by 2. That's 4 over 1. That's a 1. Cancel out. That's a 1 minus a 1. R to the second. Z to the 1. Minus 6. You get 1. Okay? So you don't have to write all the 1's here. 4r squared z. You don't have to write the 1 denominator, you don't have to write the 1 exponent. Okay? Here, since the bases are the same here, you subtract them. You get rid of this one, minus 5. So your answer then is 3 to the third power. B, this one is smaller, so you cancel that, minus 2. It stays in the denominator. This was in the numerator, it stays in the numerator. This now is in the denominator. The answer needs to be in the denominator, b squared. The last one here goes up to the numerator, so c to the first power. So your answer is this. You can write it 3 to the third c, yes, b squared. Yes, son.
Did you hear me play the organ?
Yes, I sure did. Dad. Yep, pretty cool, Bryce. Minus 2, it's in the numerator, so this answer is in the numerator. 5 squared. Okay, that's that one. Let me erase. Then let's look at the x. The smaller one is this one here, minus 3. The answer is at the bottom, so we leave it at the bottom here. X to the first. Cancel that, minus 2. The answer is in the numerator, so we put it on the numerator here. Y to the third. So my answer is 5 to the second, y to the third, over x. Now 5 to the second I would suggest you put as 25. Okay? Because we know what 5 to the second is. This one is gone, minus 5 here, so it's in the denominator, 2 to the third. 2 to the second, sorry. 7 minus 2, 5 is 2. And k, sorry. We're done with that one. K is this one here. Get rid of that, minus the 12 here. So we got k to the 2 on the denominator. This one, you eliminate that. Minus 8 up there, the smaller 2. You got y to the third. Okay, the only thing you can simplify this is 4. So y to the third, this now is 4k squared. Invisible 1 if you want to put 1/4 y third. If you don't, that's fine too. Okay? All right. Oh no. This is different. What? I've been doing the wrong one.